Are you intimidated to use a power drill? I'm going to break down the basics in 60 seconds. First, this is the trigger switch right here. You pull it to make it go. This here is the chuck. This is what you can open and tighten to change out your bits. This button right here is the forward and reverse button. On the top right here, you're gonna see a 1 and a 2. This is the speed setting. You're gonna want it to be 1 when you are drilling in screws, but if you are creating a hole, I'd go for a little bit faster with that 2. On this part of the drill, you're gonna see a bunch of numbers. On mine, it goes from 1 all the way to 15. This is the torque, and this isn't the speed. People get that confused. Torque is the force or the power behind the drill. If you're just starting with a screw, putting that into a wall, you'd probably start on a lower torque. But if you're going into a harder material, you're gonna need a little bit more force and power, and that's when you're gonna change the collar to one of these higher numbers. Fabulous. Okay, so that's all you need to know about using a power drill. I promise it's not that scary and you can do this. Check the caption for more details.